What's going on, everybody? Tech Head Geek. In this video is pretty much I'm talking about Windows Phone 8. I'm about to say 7 for a second there. And they just unveiled it yesterday, so I pretty much want to talk about some of the new things they kind of added to it, and kind of like, if you got the Windows Phone 7, you're not going to get these same features. So if you have it, I'm just letting you know now. So you're going to have to get the Windows Phone 8 if you want some of these features that they added to the phone. In which, if you look at some of the pictures I have up here, is they pretty much show how they still have that tile format, but they kind of crammed it a little bit and made certain things a little small, but still have those indicators to let you know what it is. But certain applications that's on the screen that you can see a little larger, like they had the mail, the contacts, and the text message in these little types of squares, and they had certain, like the ESPN app, a little bigger. So it kind of like crammed more stuff instead of having that big bulky each block for the like the Windows Phone 7 was. It had each block had a big old block, and now it's just like, I guess if you've got Netflix, it'll have a big block, but if you got your contacts, text messages, and email, are gonna have a little smaller little block, so they can kind of put more stuff on the screen on the phone. In which they say it has NFC this time around, and they also have micro SD for the phone as well. So and they also said it's gonna come in. It's gonna have the resolution of 1280 by 720, so it's pretty much a 720p phone. Pretty much how phones are going these days. Now, if they go any higher, we'll see how that's going to work out. But what they're doing with this Windows Phone 8 is pretty much integrating it with the Xbox 360 and the what's the tablet? The Microsoft Surface. They're pretty much integrating everything together, so you can it's one seamless little thing now, where if you got your Xbox on, you got your phone with you, you can easily just, they said you could swipe a movie from one thing to your phone to the Xbox 360 with this thing they call Xbox Smart Glass. They showed it at E3. They showed you how all these things are integrated together, and it makes things a lot simpler for you if you're a big Microsoft fan. If you like that, like I said, I'm on that Microsoft Surface tablet. I like it. Everything about it is pretty much hot. I mean, I'm on that. So the phone, I don't quite know yet about the phone, because it's pretty much the Windows Phone 7, but it's just with a little bit of upgrades and little things here and there. And plus they put, like I said, they put little applications a little smaller for certain ones, and certain ones are big and stuff like that, which is cool. And like, I saw a video on IGN.com, and you can also go to YouTube and check it out and see if you're really interested in it. But what makes it hot is that since it's going in line with that Windows 8 lineup with the laptops and desktops that's going to be coming out with it later on this year with it. And they got the tablet coming out, and the Windows Phone they just unveiled yesterday. So what you can do is, like, if you want watching a movie on your Xbox 360, you can swipe it down and watch it on the tablet, and then if you want to watch on the phone, you can do that. So it's pretty much connecting all these devices together and make it one seamless thing, and that's hot in my opinion. Kind of like how Apple has their little iOS 6, and they have that AirPlay where you could just drop it from your tablet and your phone to the Apple TV. Now, see, the Xbox 360, like I said, a lot of people use that now for Netflix, YouTube, MLB, Vudu, Xfinity. I think Files is on it. It's just pretty much a media hub with video games. You can't beat that. So that's why I want to know if that next Xbox is coming out next year, is it going to have all the stuff that it has already on there. So I'm not going to let this video go any longer, but if you have any questions or you have a comment, please leave it down below. And also rate and subscribe to my channel so we can always have these nice little tech information that I have for y'all. And so I'll see you guys next time.